Hello everybody, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? How are you all? Hope you all are keeping good. And how are you feeling everybody after Mercury retrograde and Saturn coming your way? And welcome to Pisces season. Hello Pisces, if you are there, welcome to my channel at the rate of Mysterious Girl Soumya. Please to follow my page if you haven't, and please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe it. So today I'll be just doing energy check-in for you all over here after Mercury retrograde. Okay, so till 1 week we will see what can happen with you next or upcoming days. Like today is 18th, yesterday was 17th, so Saturn already started happened, Saturn season. So it is like Saturn has already taken over its place after Mercury retrograde. So you will be facing some more problems with fight with your best friend, with your good friend, partner, and there will be some conflicts more with your family, friends too. Okay, and there will be some ego hassles, sleepless nights, and moreover bad dreams or weird dreams. So let's start with your reading. Okay, so I'll be starting with my first, as usual, tarot cards. Then I'll be using all my oracles, as you can see here. I've already placed here. So let's start with your energy check-in, guys. Okay, so are you ready to see what's going on with you, your person, or your career? Please let me know in comment box if my reading is resonating with you, if your situation suits with my reading. Do let me know, guys. You don't comment at all, so I know you are very shy to feel, or you feel like, oh no, why should I comment? Like you just see and go. Like, please share your comments, and like if my reading is resonating with you, I will be very grateful to you if you do that. Spirit angel, please guide me what is going around with my clients, with all people around me, with all my subscribers out there. Please hold a second, guys. My card fall off. Spirit, look like you guys are in too much in a hurry to know. So what is going on with my clients? Again, one card fall off. ओके एंजल स्पिरिट प्लीज़ गाइड मी, मेरे क्लाइंट्स और मेरे सब्सक्राइबर्स के साथ क्या हो सकता है अभी, वो किस चीज़ से गुजर रहे हैं. लेट्स सी योर करंट फीलिंग्स एंड योर पार्टनर करंट फीलिंग्स. व्हाट इज़ गोइंग ऑन विद माय पर्सन्स, with my client, with my subscribers out here, with everyone who's watching out this video. What is going on with them? Okay, I got the High Priestess, the Hierophant. Wow, look like you are dealing with your divine counterpart right now. If you don't know, you are in a soulmate connection, guys. This is like a daddy figure in your life. This person is like a manly figure. He wants to treat you like, they see you as a housewife material. They see you as a, like, you are like perfect to them. And this person is like, yes, they try to control you too, like, but they, in a positive ways. You may be having a fight with this person because you are in a spiritual journey. Okay, so there is a Hierophant and the High Priestess. Oppositely, I can say, like, you have to work with your intuition also, because I feel most of you here are not working with your intuition right now, and your person is also need to work with your intuition. And this is your divine counterpart, guys. You will be getting married to this person soon. Okay, you could see number 222 a lot, and 555 a lot on your clocks or during my video too. Angel Spirit, please guide me what is going on with my clients, with my person, or with my viewers, with my people out there who are watching this. Please let me know, Angel Spirit. Okay, there is Seven of Cups. Okay, this person is daydreaming about you. You can also be in the same energy, guys, because I am doing proper energy check-in. Whomsoever energy I can be like called by spirits, I am doing that only. Like, मेरे को जिसकी भी energy पकड़ में आती है, because I deal with thousands of people every day around me. So it is like, yeah, you are dreaming a lot about your work, about your happiness, your career. You are dreaming about this person also, but this person is definitely your new love, your past love. You may be feeling like, okay, you are dreaming about your past love too, but I don't feel like there is a past person around, because currently you are dealing with a new person and this is your definitely a divine counterpart. You see they're in your dreams, you think about them, you overthink about them, आप बहुत ज़्यादा सोचते हैं इनके बारे में. And regarding your career, yes, your career is going just on a right track. But yes, you have to work with your intuition, what your intuition says, what your gut feeling says. If your heart says to pursue in a business, so just grab it. If your heart says that join this job is good for you, so you have to just do it. You don't have to sit around and wait, because you need to take action. You are not taking action, you are dreaming a lot about it. If you love someone, just say them that you love them. And if you want to see future with them, you are having definitely a future with them, because this is your divine counterpart. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is going on with my people out there, my clients, my viewers, my subscribers? Please guide me with a relevant answer. Guys, you can skip if you want to. If you are not feeling resonated, you can skip my video. Don't blame me that I have done something wrong to you or your career, whatever, because I'm not like, I can't blame myself or you can't blame me, because you are your own responsibility. Even when you come for healing, definitely you are your own responsibility. You have to move out of your past. You are feeling very unfulfilled. You are like thinking, oh my god, what I have done. Like this dream is not complete. So you need to like get out of your past first of all. You are in a stuck mind. You are still thinking about a new person. Definitely you are dealing with a new person. एंड आप इसके इनके बारे में भी सोच भी रहे हैं बहुत ज़्यादा. कहीं ना कहीं आप अभी भी ना लैग कर रहे हो अपने आप से. अगर आपका करियर भी कहीं ना कहीं वो हो रहा है ना, तो भी आप डे ड्रीम करके कहीं ना कहीं अपने आप से खुद ही लैग कर रहे हो. आपको लगता है कि आपकी वो चीज़ पूरी नहीं होने वाली है. सी, so there is a 555 number a lot over here, and 222. You could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Virgo. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is going on with my people, viewers out there? Okay, King of Pentacles. Right now you are just focusing on yourself. Of course you may be focusing on yourself. You're holding on your coins. You just want to be like, I'm the like only one millionaire, or like you have all the money. Okay, so you are acting like, yeah, you will be achieving that goal soon. But yes, you have to, but you don't have to think that your dreams are not unfulfilled. You don't have to like daydream about your pentacles, about your career. Yes, you are a man or a woman of a pentacles. If you are a woman here, you are a queen of pentacles right now. You are owning your own business. You are working with different clients every day, or you can do a better in your career right now. You are doing so much better. You are going just above. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is okay? You could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius too. Okay, all signs will be coming out here, guys. This is a general reading and collective energy update. So all signs would be coming out here. So डोंट से कि आपने ये साइन नहीं बोला, वो साइन नहीं बोला. मुझे मैसेज बॉक्स में मत लिखिए गाइस कुछ भी. यू कैन कमेंट ओपनली. डोंट फील शाय. ओके, वॉट एवर इट इज़. इफ़ यू फाइंड एनी थिंग which is not said, let me know, because yeah, there are some parts what I feel sometimes that I miss. So that's why I say keep on commenting, whether it's my YouTube channel or Instagram. I keep on even posting the questions. You don't guys even have a question, what kind of readings you want. Okay, I just keep on getting only votes, so let me know even on questions like what type of readings you want exactly, or in general, because sometimes in general we see, but in private it comes something else. So it's in you. If you want to like a free watch in a general reading, you can definitely watch it and let me know. Okay, there is a Four of Pentacles again. I told you like you are feeling very unfulfilled. Definitely unfulfilled, guys. See, this man is holding his own past, own traumas in himself. He is totally living in a darkness, and this man thinks that things are not happening in their favor. Why? Because they don't want to leave their past behind, their old traumas, whatever happened with their person, or you. This could be you also in this energy. Definitely, right now, like you are holding lots of in your mind. Why this is not happening. Even if you are trying to let go, you are trying to focus in your career right now. You need to let go, because this person is your divine counterpart, guys. I'm telling you, this is a new person, and old love is not coming. And if you're dealing with your present, then this marriage is meant to be happened. If you are in a no contact and this person has ghosted you, yes, this marriage is definitely happening, but exes are not coming because in my many readings in zodiac signs, I didn't got any ex vibes for some of the people over out here. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is going on with my clients, viewers, subscribers out there? Ace of Wands, wow. So things will be turning out very soon in your favor. आपके पास बहुत जल्दी आ सकती है चीज़ें, बहुत ही फेवर में हो सकती है. You just need to focus on yourself and let the things get in the flow. Like don't like just close your eyes and be blindfolded. Don't be in a crossroad. Don't think that your thing is not coming true. Yes, it will come true. You have to dream about it too, because yes, once it will be true, once you will take an action. Spirit guides and angels guides are saying you to be with this person right now, because I feel like a person you are dealing with, a marriage is written with this person. But this is not an ex. If you guys are thinking your ex is coming, they will just come and take your energy away, or if you go back to them, then you might be get blocked again. This is for all, not for a one particular person, I'm saying. Sorry guys, I got so bad throat chakra blocked right now. I think I caught one energy which is saying like most of you are here blocked by some of the person, or you are being unfriended, unfollowed. So you need to contact this person, and I feel like most of you will contact. Even if you contact somewhere, things will turn right. And yeah, the present person, they will not try to accept you right now. Things will turn soon, but you need to be patient and work with your intuition. Regarding your career, yes, you need to take action. You can't sit and wait why this is not happening. Universe is just giving you a positive sign again. So don't just sit and wait. Go and grab it. Okay guys, it's in your own belief system. I am just giving you a guidance. Okay, so you could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius over here. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is going on with my viewers, clients, subscribers out there? The Chariot reverse. Okay, things is not turning in your favor right now. Right now, this person is stopping themselves. They are right now are in a yin yang energy. Actually, right now this person is stopping to come towards to you. Somewhere this person is lacking many things to come towards to you. They are feeling scared basically. Temperance, yes. Somewhere I feel universe is with you. दे आर गाइडिंग यू, आपको गाइड कर रहे हैं बहुत ज़्यादा. एंड यू विल बी टेकिंग एक्शन. आपको बस इक्वली बोला जा रहा है कि आप ही इक्वली गिव एंड टेक करो. आप अगर डार्कनेस में रहोगे तो पूरा टाइम आपको अगर डार्कनेस में ही रहना है तो आप डार्कनेस में रहिए, बिकॉज दिस इज़ अ यूनिवर्स गाइडेंस गाइज. आई एम नॉट सेइंग एनीथिंग. Ace of Swords. I'll not take reverse because my intuition is not saying right now. So yeah, Ace of Swords and Ace of Wands. It is like, yeah, you need to take action if you're not. And definitely this person will be coming around you, but right now this person is not ready. They are stopping themselves to come towards to you. Somewhere this person is not, is like feeling they don't want to like come soon. Like, I'm sorry guys, I'm not able to like speak so clearly right now. Yeah, this person is not able to like, they don't want to like come soon. They are trying to like say you like you have to keep lots of patience. And regarding your career, as I said, you are holding a lot and you are daydreaming a lot. There is a due time coming in your even cards. Your spirit guides is saying you need to take lots of action. You are having a lots of dealings around. You are getting very unstable right now, but you need to take action, and this thing will be turning around very soon, within a 2 months, 1 month for others. I can say like within a week you will get some offers coming around. And for others, this will be a marriage proposal. You could get a proposal by this person. Right now you are feeling just ignored by this person. This person is ignoring you very, very badly. What is going on with my clients, viewers? Please guide me with one last card, then I'll move to Oracle. Oh my god. I told you, you are in a soulmate connection. There is an equal give and take somewhere, but right now you are in a no contact situation. For some, for others, this person is not ready. Okay, so your person or you might have like unfriended each other. You both had a fight, but yeah, this person is your soulmate, twin flame. I won't say twin flame, this is a soulmate card, so I'll say this is your soulmate. And things is going around in a very positive way. because yeah, I got energy like most of you are getting a lots of good news regarding your business, work, even love opportunities. Yes, it will be turning out very soon in your favor soon. Okay, end of the deck is the star. I told you, your person sees you like a star, like you are a brightness to them, and maybe you are working in a creative field or something, doing your own business or anything in a hard work way. So this person sees you like a star. You are like too much, I can say, a beautiful woman or a man to them. Now let's check with your oracle cards. So let's see what your oracle says. I'll directly go with my Keeper oracle cards over Gypsy's oracle. Now then I'll move to Romance Angel, and end will be Sai Baba guidance for you, and I'll be using your energy oracle. But right now I'll keep this Keeper oracle with me. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for my clients, viewers, subscribers, my person out there, and myself? Spirit Angel, please guide me with the relevant answer. Okay, bad health, 31. You are going through a depression, most of you over here, or most of you can be even a 31 years old, or within a 31 days you can have a bad health, you can go in a depression, you will be very in an isolated state, you may get hospitalized for most of you. Angels will please guide me. What is there for my people out there, my viewers, my subscribers? Child. Okay, I feel like this person sees you like a child, and you are also like having a lots of innocence like a child. Okay, बचपना बहुत ज़्यादा आप में कुछ लोगों में, and कुछ लोगों की जो person है ये आपसे child चाह रहे हैं, and most of you are stuck with maybe a married person also, and they are having a child. Number 18. Okay, so you could be of 18 years, or there could be 18 years gap between you both, or this person is born on 18th, 24th. Okay, I feel like, as I told you, you are holding off many things and you are running away from your own situation. You don't need to run away. The more you run away, you need to just face whatever is coming towards to you, whether it is your love, especially if you are dealing with a new person. Deal with them. You don't need to run with like a thief, like चोरी किया और भाग गए, वो चीज़ नहीं करनी आपको, बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं आप उनके बारे में सोचते हैं एंड आप खुद ही डिप्रेस हो जाते हैं. सो या, यू डोंट नीड टू steal anything, or if you are not, your person can be a thief, they can lie you too, and they are lying, they are hiding their feelings, and they are running away. Number 24 is their age or their birthday can come. Okay, number 30, toil and labor. So yeah, you are working very hard for your career, so yeah, keep on working very hard, I can say that. And your person sees you every time that you are working so hard. Number 38 is important. Please note a number, guys. Okay, number 12, a privileged lady. हो सकता है आप लोग बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर हो, अपने आप को बहुत ज़्यादा लव करते, बट ओवर लव योर सेल्फ मत कीजिए. दो आई से ऑन माई वीडियोज़ क्या, यू हैव टू लव योर सेल्फ टू लेट गो और वट एवर. सो या, you are like a privileged lady, you are a very beautiful, you have a charming personality, you are like very elegant, and your person somewhere sees you that you are very charming personality, and they have very much, they hold importance to you very much, though they don't express you most of the time. But yeah, this person sees you as a privileged lady. Okay, message of concern. Okay, I feel like this person is waiting for your message somehow, and within a 14 days, or okay, you will get some message out from this person. You are in a no contact situation, as I said before. For most of you, had a fight recently. One is expressive, other is not. One is like teaching you a patient, and one is like a child. Yeah, there is a definitely a no contact situation. I'm getting, my throat chakra is getting blocked totally. So yeah, third is marriage. As I told you, this is your divine counterpart, and marriage is written with this person. Number 3. Okay, 3 could be your date or this person's birthday or your birthday, or within 3 years or 3 months you can get a marriage proposal. But yes, this person is definitely thinking to marry you because there is a great fortune. Number 26, false person again. I get like a thief. So, and this is a main male. This person wants to be your main male. Okay, this person can have some beard. He can be a good looking. They can be a silent. Okay, and definitely this person will come around and marry you. For most of it, this person are having beard. For others, this person can message you too, and you don't need to wait for this person because this person can message you anytime within 14 days. Okay, for some, not for all. So let's check on your energy now and the situation energy, what's going on. Okay, let's check what is going on. Angel Spirit, please guide me what is going on with my clients. Okay, my this card wants to come up. Door to value, walking away. I said, like this person is trying to run away from you, and this person, I feel they are doing very purposely. They hide their feelings and they run away. And like you could be also like walk away from this person, like you might have blocked them, unfriend them, unfollow them, whatever. So yeah, you can also walk away from your situation. You are walking away from your abundance itself. You know that you will get money, you will get popular at some time because there is a do to value. Okay, so you don't need to walk away. Face the situation, face the reality. Number 2731. Okay, so these are some important dates. This is so heavy energy, guys, I'm getting from your person. Angel of love. Look, I told you, like angels are just with you guys, and somewhere this person, angel are guiding them too, and you too. So you need to like, I feel like you have to like do prayers on Fridays. Do pray for Aphrodite if you can't, because this is, she is a love of goddess Aphrodite. Or if you are not able to do Aphrodite prayer, do angel Archangel Raphael prayer, or you can do Lord Shiva prayer if you are Lord Shiva Bhakt like me. Okay, number 23, all tied up. I told you this person is not ready. Your situation is not working on your favor because you are holding a lot and you think your thing is not fulfilled. So yeah, you are in a spiritual connection. There is a temple path. Okay, number 12, 23. So yeah, a woman holding a coin. So yes, you are like a king and queen of pentacles right now. You are just focusing on yourself, on your growth, on your healing right now. Okay, this person will definitely take action soon. And I got another, the Garden of the Gate. Yes, there are chances that this person will come up with a beautiful proposal. Right now they are not ready and they are hiding their feelings. And if this person have said you that they don't want to get married, but they don't know their own situation right now because they are holding themselves a lot. They are living in a crossroad. Let's see your love. What is going on with your love now? Oh my God. This person, I tell you. What is the energy update? Please give me energy update. Angel Spirit, please give me energy update for my clients, viewers, subscribers out there. I think your cards are in a bit hurry. This person is in heavy energy right now you are dealing with. Angel Spirit. Okay, wedding. Wow. The first card is wedding. I think wedding is written because there was High Priestess and Hierophant, as I told you. Yeah, wedding is written somewhere. This person will be coming with you with a marriage proposal, and yeah, this situation involves marriage. So don't worry, guys. Everything is written on the stars. No matter how persons run away from you or you might run away from them, this is like a dream wish come true. Very soon. Like I feel like your person is confused right now. So this person will take with help with their intuition. They know like what they want from you. So yeah, they are not able to decide. They are getting very much indecisive. They are confused souls, and yeah, so they will decide what they want from you because there is a wedding situation in your cards over here for most of you. Because if you are watching this video, then definitely this reading is for you only. But if you are watching this for your ex don't come back, guys, and ex will not accept you. They will just come and fool you around and take your energies away. If you don't believe me, let's experience it. Because as a psychic and as your counselor, it's my word to say you, rest is up to you. If you want to spoil your life, you're most welcome. Okay, flirt. Extend your light and energy to others. So yeah, this person wants to flirt with you. They want to have fun with you. But yes, somewhere this person is serious too, because they might have flirted with you and you didn't feel good. So you might have like kept them in a friend zone now. Or this person might have kept you in a friend zone. Angels will please guide me. What is there for my people out there? Okay, stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. So yeah, you need to stay positive. Two affirmations really, guys. Love affirmations. Light a pink candle around. Do meditation with it. There are so many candles around here. Even I have like I am selling out my own brand candles now, brand aura soap. So you can buy from me if you want to. Trust. Okay, you need to trust the situation calling for you to have faith. So your person is not having trust either, or you don't have, so they keep on running away somewhere. They are scared, as I told before on my tarots also. So yeah, this person is running away. Honeymoon. So you might have planned to meet up on some trip on the sea core or near mountains, okay, or you might will be getting soon a honeymoon periods after marriage with this person. But right now, okay, this is like situation getting very like this person will come to you again, definitely. This is your true love, guys. The end of the deck is a true love. This is the romance of a lifetime. I told you this is your soulmate and divine counterpart. So you need to be patient and have faith. Okay, let's see now what is going on with you. What Sai Baba wants to say you all. Angels will please guide me with a relevant answer. What is the message for clients? Angels Spirit, please guide me. Sai Baba, please guide me. What is there for my clients out there? What is the situation? What they should do? ओके, आपको क्या करना चाहिए अब आपको पता चलेगा कि आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा. साई बाबा के थ्रू आपको गाइडेंस मिलेगी. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for my clients? What they need to do? So you will get proper answer what angels universe wants to say you. Okay, face the pain is the first card. The pain you experience is not because of the situation, but because of resisting and blocking the situation. So as I told you, you are or your person right now, they are just getting scared. They are not able to face you. They think that it might end up very bad because of their past traumas. So this person is facing the pain and you are in a same situation with your career too and your love life too. Change. In life, nothing is permanent. Constant change is inevitable. So yeah, there is nothing like permanent, guys. The change is possible. So there will be a positive change for sure, because if there can be, you see in the picture how a picture portrays. Like you can see a grass is totally dry, the farm is totally dry, or a tree is totally dry, but the rain come up and it again gets so much of green. So grass get greener, so can't why your life can be a greener, right? In the spirit, okay. The power of Uri, my Uri will heal all of your emotion and physical problem. So आपको बोला जा रहा है कि आप साईं बाबा की जो उरी होती है, उनका जो तिलक होता है, आप वो लगाइए, वो आपको बहुत हेल्प करने वाला है. Let's see what is more there for you. Then I'll be ending my reading for you all. Please give me a energy update for my clients. I want another card. Sai Babaji, please give me another card. Angels, please give me another card. Angels, please give me another card. I feel like Sai Baba is too tired by your energies. Okay, learning. Life is a school, learn and soar. So yeah, योर लाइफ इज़ लाइक अ लर्निंग, गाइज. आपकी लाइफ में जो भी हो रहा है ना, आप उसको स्कूल की तरह लीजिए. जैसे आप स्कूल में लेके आप पढ़ते हैं, आप लर्न कीजिए, बिकॉज एट द एंड कर्मा हिट टू ऑल. कर्मा डोंट लीव एनी वन. सो देर इज़ अ कार्मिक साइकिल राइट नाउ गोइंग ऑन इन योर लाइफ. So definitely there will be a change. You are being told to face the pain, learning, and yeah, keep your open mind, keep your eyes open, be assertive. Being too good is not the answer. Be assertive too. You need to set boundaries, guys. You are not setting out boundaries. Okay, so you need to keep your eyes open, because there will be a positive change. You need to let go whatever is happening. And yeah, there is vows and promises. Fulfill the vows and promises made by you and your family. So you need to listen to your elders, parents, family, friends, relatives, and yeah, whatever promises you are giving to them, please fulfill that promises too, whether it's your friends or family. Don't run away from your situation. You need to face the pain. Life purpose. Your purpose of life is as caretaker and life worker of of planet Earth. So yeah, you need to help others too. You need to be a part system of them. That's what Sai Baba is saying. And end of the day is the dream. Sai Baba is saying that साई बाबा जी आपसे आपकी ड्रीम में कनेक्ट हो सकता है, आपसे कम्युनिकेट करेंगे कुछ लोगों के लिए. ओके, सो दिस वॉज माई रीडिंग. Okay, one thing I would say, the energies I'm getting today is very heavy because it drained my energies too, guys. And yeah, this was like totally insane energies today by your person, also by you, and regarding your career too. So yeah, accept whatever is coming towards to you, especially a new love. If you are with a present person and you are in a no contact, you can also contact them. But this is a general reading, guys. You can take a private reading, and yeah, mode of payment is in advance, so let me know whenever you want to do your private reading. And if my reading resonated with you, let me know on comment box. Don't forget to comment. Okay guys, thank you for watching my channel and love you a lot. Bye bye, keep on supporting.